Discover the Amalfi Coast. Top 5 must-visit spots for summer 2025. Alright guys, picture this. Sun-drenched beaches, crystal-clear water, and colourful villages stacked up against dramatic cliffs. Sound like paradise? Well, that's the Amalfi Coast for you. This summer, I was lucky enough to spend some time exploring this Italian gem, and trust me, it totally lived up to the hype. I'm talking seriously stunning scenery, delicious food, and a whole lot of Mamma Mia vibes. So in this video, I'm sharing my top 5 must-visit spots along the Amalfi Coast to help you plan your own epic adventure. Get ready for some serious travel inspiration. Positano, the vertical city. Nestled on the Amalfi Coast, this enchanting village is a marvel of vertical architecture and natural beauty. First up, we've got Positano, probably the most iconic spot on the Amalfi Coast. Its colourful hillside buildings are instantly recognizable and have been the subject of countless photographs and paintings. And guys, when you see it, you'll instantly know why. The beauty of Positano is almost surreal, with its narrow streets winding through a cascade of pastel-coloured houses. This place is basically a postcard come to life. Every corner you turn offers a new, breathtaking view that looks like it was plucked straight from a dream. Imagine this, pastel-coloured houses cascading down a steep hillside, all the way down to the sparkling Mediterranean Sea. It's seriously breathtaking. The contrast between the vibrant buildings and the deep blue sea is something you have to see to believe. Now, Positano is known for its steep streets and even steeper steps. Navigating through the town is like embarking on a mini adventure, with each step revealing a new facet of its charm. Be prepared for a workout, but don't worry, the effort is well worth it. The higher you climb, the more spectacular the views become. But trust me, the views from the top are totally worth it. From up there, you can see the entire village sprawled out below, with the Mediterranean stretching out to the horizon. Make sure to check out the Church of Santa Maria Assunta, with its iconic Majolica tiled dome. This historic church is not only a spiritual center, but also an architectural gem. It's right there in the heart of Positano, and it's absolutely stunning. The church's dome, covered in colorful tiles, is a sight to behold and adds to the village's unique charm. And of course, you can't come to Positano without hitting the beach. Spiaggia Grande is the main beach, and it's a hub of activity where you can relax and soak up the sun. Spiaggia Grande is the main beach, and it's the perfect place to soak up the sun, take a dip in the sea, and just enjoy the incredible atmosphere. The beach is lined with vibrant umbrellas and offers stunning views of the cliffs and the sea. Oh, and one more thing about Positano, it's a bit of a celebrity hotspot. Over the years, many famous faces have been spotted here, drawn by its beauty and charm. So, keep your eyes peeled. You never know who you might bump into. Whether it's a Hollywood star or a famous musician, Positano's allure attracts people from all walks of life. Amalfi, the heart of the coast. Next up, we're heading to the town that gives the Amalfi Coast its name, Amalfi. This place is buzzing with life, with a charming harbour, bustling piazzas, and a fascinating history. Now, Amalfi was actually a powerful maritime republic back in the day, and you can still feel that historical significance as you wander through the narrow streets. Speaking of history, you've got to check out the Amalfi Cathedral, or the Duomo di Sant'Andrea. This majestic building dominates the main square, and its grand staircase is pretty impressive. Inside, you'll find stunning Byzantine mosaics and a peaceful cloister. Trust me, it's worth a visit. After exploring the cathedral, get lost in the labyrinthine alleys of the old town. You'll find tons of cute shops selling everything from handmade ceramics to limoncello, the local lemon liqueur. And when you need a break from all the sightseeing, grab a gelato and relax by the harbour, watching the boats bobbing in the water. Chapter 3. Ravello, the city of music. Perched high above the Amalfi Coast, you'll find Ravello, a town known for its breathtaking views and tranquil atmosphere. This charming town is a hidden gem that offers a unique blend of natural beauty, history, and culture. As you wander through its narrow streets, you'll be captivated by the stunning vistas that seem to greet you at every turn. Seriously, the views from here are just unreal. Whether you're looking out over the sparkling Mediterranean Sea or gazing at the lush, rolling hills, the scenery is simply mesmerizing. It's no wonder that Ravello has been a source of inspiration for artists, writers, and musicians for centuries. Ravello is all about soaking up the beauty of the surroundings, and there's no better place to do that than at Villa Ruffolo. This historic villa is a masterpiece of architecture and design, with its elegant arches, intricate stonework, and beautifully landscaped gardens. This 13th century villa has some of the most iconic gardens on the Amalfi Coast. The gardens are a riot of color and fragrance, with blooming flowers, towering trees, and carefully manicured lawns. As you stroll through the gardens, you'll feel like you've stepped into a fairy tale. Imagine this: lush greenery, colorful flowers, and those incredible panoramic views over the coastline. It's a feast for the senses, and it's easy to see why Villa Ruffolo is one of the most popular attractions in Ravello. It's the perfect spot to relax, take some photos, and just soak it all in. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time visitor, you'll find plenty of opportunities to capture the beauty of Ravello and create lasting memories. Another must-visit in Ravello is Villa Simbrone. This stunning villa is perched on a cliff, offering breathtaking views of the sea and the surrounding landscape. The villa itself is a work of art, with its elegant architecture and beautifully landscaped gardens. This villa is famous for its terrace of infinity, which offers what feels like endless views of the sea and the coastline. Standing on the terrace, you'll feel like you're on top of the world, with the vast expanse of the Mediterranean stretching out before you. Honestly, guys, pictures don't do it justice. The sheer beauty and majesty of the view are something you have to experience in person to truly appreciate. You have to see it to believe it. The Terrace of Infinity is a place where you can lose yourself in the beauty of nature and find a sense of peace and tranquility. Ravello is also known for its music festivals, especially the Ravello Festival, which takes place every summer. This world-renowned festival attracts musicians and music lovers from all over the globe, and it's a celebration of the town's rich musical heritage. So, if you're a music lover, definitely try to time your visit with one of these events. The festival features a diverse lineup of performances, from classical music to contemporary works, and it's a fantastic way to experience the vibrant cultural scene of Ravello. Whether you're attending a concert in the historic Villa Ruffolo or enjoying an open-air performance with the stunning Amalfi Coast as your backdrop, the Ravello Festival is an unforgettable experience that will leave you with a deep appreciation for the town's artistic spirit. Chapter 4. Praiano, the Hidden Gem. Now, if you're looking for a slightly more off-the-beaten-path experience, Praiano is the place to be. This charming village is a little quieter and more laid-back than some of the other towns on the coast, but it's just as beautiful. One of the best things to do in Praiano is to hike the Path of the Gods, or Sentiero degli Dei. This stunning coastal path winds its way along the cliffs, offering incredible views of the coastline. It's a bit of a workout, but trust me, the views are worth every step. Praiano is also home to some amazing beaches, including Marina di Praia, a picturesque little cove with colorful fishing boats and crystal clear water. It's the perfect place to relax, go for a swim, and maybe even try some fresh seafood at one of the local restaurants. And if you're looking for a truly unforgettable experience, head to Praiano for sunset. The way the sun sets over the sea, casting a golden glow over the village, is simply magical. Chapter 5. Atrani, a tiny slice of paradise. Last but not least, we have Atrani, the smallest town in all of southern Italy. Nestled between the cliffs and the sea, this charming village is a hidden gem that offers a unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. This tiny village is tucked away in a hidden cove, and it's like stepping back in time. The moment you set foot in Atrani, you are transported to a world where time seems to stand still, and the hustle and bustle of modern life fades away. Atrani is all about narrow alleyways, colorful houses, and a charming little piazza right by the sea. The labyrinthine streets are lined with vibrant homes, each with its own unique character and story to tell. It's the perfect place to escape the crowds and experience the authentic charm of the Amalfi Coast. Unlike its more famous neighbors, Atrani remains relatively untouched by mass tourism, allowing visitors to enjoy a more peaceful and genuine experience. One of the best things to do in Atrani is simply to wander around and get lost in its maze of streets. Each turn reveals a new surprise, whether it's a quaint little shop, a hidden garden, or a stunning view of the sea. You'll stumble upon hidden courtyards, tiny chapels, and picturesque squares. These hidden gems are perfect for those who love to explore and discover new places off the beaten path. And when you need a break, grab a seat at one of the cafes in the piazza and enjoy a coffee or a gelato while watching the world go by. The piazza is the heart of Atrani, where locals and visitors alike gather to relax and socialize. If you're looking for a beach day, Atrani has a lovely little beach right in the heart of the village. The beach is a perfect spot to unwind, with its soft sand and crystal clear waters inviting you to take a refreshing dip. It's the perfect place to relax, soak up the sun, and take a dip in the sea. The tranquil atmosphere and stunning surroundings make it an ideal spot for a leisurely day by the water. And because Atrani is so small, you can easily walk to everything, making it a great base for exploring the rest of the Amalfi Coast. From here, you can venture out to nearby towns and attractions, all while enjoying the serene and picturesque setting of Atrani. So, there you have it, guys. My top 5 must-visit spots on the Amalfi Coast. From the iconic beauty of Positano to the hidden charm of Atrani, this stretch of coastline is truly something special. If you're planning a trip to Italy, make sure to add the Amalfi Coast to your itinerary. You won't regret it. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more travel adventures. Until next time, happy travels.